This is a video I wanted to make for a long time. How much money has YouTube paid me as a small YouTuber? Let's give you a little bit of context. I am a part-time reseller. I sell on eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, knickknacks, and a little bit on Whatnot. And I started my reselling journey over 12 years ago. And then I started my YouTube channel in 2020. And it took me 4 years to get monetized. I was putting out videos as best I could with the equipment I had, the lighting, all of that. I don't get into a whole bunch of production. I didn't do a lot of editing. I still don't do too much. And I was watching all of the other YouTubers out there that are in my niche. That's what's important, is what is your niche on YouTube and what is everybody else doing? I did haul videos because I'm a thrifter reseller, right? I did haul videos for my first 10 videos. I did them on my laptop because I couldn't even record on my phone at that point. And I did them on my laptop and I would just record straight through. And I didn't have any ability to edit anything, didn't have any editing software, didn't have any way or understanding of how do you edit once you upload it to YouTube, all of that. So if I made a mistake on my video, I would re-record it and delete the first one. So there was a lot of time involved, a lot of frustration, but I got through all of that, and then the magic happened in 2024. And I had been listening to some of the bigger YouTubers, again, all in my niche, and they were saying, and they were full-time resellers too. So they were making a lot of money reselling, and then they were doing the YouTubing thing to, make extra money. And I thought, oh, that's really good. I want to make some extra money too. And then they kept saying, well, I don't make a lot on YouTube. I don't make a lot on YouTube. You do make a lot once you get really, really big. But I'm a small YouTuber. So when I hit my 1,000 subscribers and my 4,000 watch hours, I applied, to the program. And, they tell you, oh, by the way, you can join now. And I joined and got monetized. I was so excited to put out that next video and also to see what would happen to all my existing videos, because I had been recording and posting for 4 years up to that point. And then that first day happened when you get the first a little bit of money come in. I got 58 cents. I was so happy, but then it dawned on me that I could also go to the Aldi parking lot and return a couple of carts and collect the quarters and make about the same money. And I'm like, don't be disappointed. Just keep going. I kept putting out content. And to try to get up to that 4,000 watch hours, I was putting out 3 videos a week, trying to make them at least 20 minutes or more is what I was doing. And I kept that up for a while. And then it gets to be a lot when you're trying to be a reseller and, doing the videos. And then I dropped back down to about 2 videos a week. And every once in a while I throw out a bonus video and put the 3 videos out a week. And my videos are anywhere from 12 minutes up to 28 minutes. They're all over the place. And I keep them completely to my niches: thrift with me videos, haul videos, sold videos, and there's a few other like reselling vlogs in there, all of that. So in 2024, I know this is what you guys are waiting for. I made a whole $432.07. And my channel was, in terms of subs, was probably, I'd have to check it, but somewhere between 1,000 and maybe 1,400 or 1,500 subs. Yeah, something like that. So that's where I'm at for 2024. And I do know that my 2025 numbers only improved slightly, but I'm going to save that for another video. I thought, let me just tell you what this is for now. We'll keep this short and simple. Put any questions down below. I will, try to answer your questions around that. And it's just I like having the little bit of bonus money. And I make so little money that they only pay me out every 3 or 4 months. So I only get a couple paychecks, because you have to have over $100 a month to get paid out. So my goal as I move forward is to start making the $100 a month. I didn't make that in 2024, and I didn't make that in 2025. So of course I made that my goal for 2026. The good thing about being a reseller, though, is every $1 or $2 or $3 on YouTube that I make, I roll that back into my business. I am not trying to pay bills with it. I use that money to go sourcing. So if I get $2 from YouTube and I go out and I buy a $2 item and I sell that for $10, you see how there's like a multiplier effect on that? So I appreciate every nickel and dime that I'm making off of my channel. I think you guys already know this because I've mentioned it on my channel before, but for everyone who's new that's just watching this video, Jocelyn the Crazy Lamp Lady was the person who inspired me to start my channel. I wanted to start my channel a year prior, 2019. And had been watching all kinds of videos and taking notes. I had over a page of notes, but I was too scared to start. Then she did a video during the pandemic, and she mentioned how much she made in 1 month on YouTube. And it was a large sum. If you want to know what that is, you got to go watch her channel. And that inspired me. The next couple days after that, I recorded my first video and put it out on July of 2020. And I just want to give a really big thank you to Jocelyn, because you inspired me. I'm sure you inspired dozens and dozens, if not hundreds of people at this point, to get on YouTube and film whatever they're doing. It might not even be reselling. It could just be any niche that you're on. In 2025, I was able to get my channel almost up to 2,000 subscribers. And we are in January here in 2026. So that's my immediate goal. I only need like 14, 15 subscribers. I think 15 or 16 subscribers, something like that. It goes up and down. You gain a couple, you lose a couple, then you gain a whole bunch more. It's like no rhyme or reason in terms of gaining subs. I've also been putting out a lot of shorts lately, which actually helps contribute to your income. And it's pennies on the dollar, but those pennies keep adding up. And the shorts kind of give you a little bit of evergreen income. I also have videos. I have some videos that have gotten thousands of views, and they give me a little bit of evergreen. And so it's onward and upward from there. Or from here, I should say. Please like, comment, and subscribe.